Assalamu alaikum. So welcome you all in my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be talking about chapter number 3, computer science. You know, we have started a series of ninth matric computer science, and this is chapter number 3, networks. Again 30 marks का आपका test है ये, and you have total 60 minutes to finish this test, right? So in the first portion we have four objective portion where 4 MCQs will be given to you, and they will be having 4 possible answers A, B, C, D to each questions. You have to fill the correct answer, fill the bubble in front, given to you the sheet. You have to fill the bubbles on the given sheet. Cutting and filling 2 or more bubbles is not allowed. It will help. It will actually result you in getting 0 marks. Right. So the first question is: two devices can communicate with each other when they are connected through point A network, point B connection, C point, D link. So we have two devices can communicate with each other when they are connected through some network. If it's not connected to any network, then they cannot communicate with each other. So the point A is the correct answer. Question number 2. The receiver must be capable of accepting the blank. So I hope you know that receiver is designed to accept messages, not information, not address. In fact, messages, not protocols as well. So C is the correct option. Question number 3. Which protocol is used to transfer mail from one place to another place? Point A, HTTP, SMTP, FTTP, STP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which is used to display the web pages. B is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. C is FTP, File Transfer Protocol. So the correct option is SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Question number 4. Routing is a process of taking data from one device and sending it to another device in different area, path, network or channel. So routing is basically a device process which take router, and it actually taking data from one device and sending it to another device through some network. So C is the correct option. Then we have short questions, and here we have 9 short questions. Chapter number 3 is the most important chapter, and please prepare it well. यहाँ से बहुत ज़्यादा आपके short questions आते हैं, long questions आते हैं, MCQs भी आते हैं. I hope you have watched my other video where I have shared the marking scheme or you can say the pairing scheme of 2024. If you haven't checked yet, do check it now. Okay. So here we have 9 questions. The first question is define hardware sharing. So I hope you know that how we share PCs, how we share printer, how we share different hardware devices. Then question number 2, why mesh topology is considered more reliable? Mesh topology is that topology which is where every device is connected to each other. So it's reliable because of the point-to-point connection, right? It's expensive as well. Question number 3, difference between static IP address and dynamic IP address. Static IP address, if you are allocating, if you are connecting connecting a device through a network, and if only one time IP address has been shared, it's called static IP address, right? And static IP address is usually fixed through a network, and if each time a new connection is made, a new IP address is assigned, then it is called dynamic IP address. Define communication channel. Communication channel is also called transmission medium as well. It is basically the medium which is the physical path that connects a sender and receiver. It is used to transmit data. The medium can be anything. It can be a copper wire, it can be a fiber optics wire, cable, or wireless as well. right? So this is also called communication channel as well. Compare IPv4 and IPv6. So the next question is, what are the main components of communication? I hope you know 5 components of communication: message, sender, receiver, and protocol, and transmission communication medium as well, or transmission medium as well. In client server model, is client software or hardware? Give reason to support your answer. Question number 8. How client and server communicate with each other? Question number 9. Describe the working of web browsers. These questions, find out the answers of these questions from the book. If you have any confusion, do let me know. I will make a separate video for you. All the answers will be shared in that video. Okay, so the next question is, we have long questions, and here there is only one question. Question number 3, there are 2 parts, and both parts are necessary and compulsory to attempt. So the first part, what is network topology? Describe in detail with diagrams, right? So you know that it's a 4 marks question, and if you will write down 4 or 5 pages on network topologies or network diagrams, you will making diagram of each and every topology, so you will be wasting much of your time. So it's better you just write down the network topology's name, right? Definition, and then define 5 names of topology: bus topology, star topology, ring topology, mesh topology, right? And then just write down one liner or two liner of those topologies, and then describe, make diagram. Do not write a lot of things. Do not waste your time writing more details, right? Just write down one liner definition, one advantage, one disadvantage, and just diagram. Point B. What is TCP/IP? Describe its 5 layer with their functions. So I hope you are pretty much clear about what is TCP/IP. TCP/IP stands for Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol. It is basically a suite of protocols that provides end-to-end connectivity between devices. It has 5 layers. The layers names you have to mention in a same order, right? Which I am going to show over here. Application layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, and physical layer. These are 5 layers of TCP/IP protocol, and you have to remember these layers in the same order it is mentioned. And do check their functions from book as well. Just one liner function is required here. Don't waste your time in writing a lot of functions and a lot of details about these layers. Just one liner instruction, one liner definition or the function of each layer. Don't forget to remember, first is application layer, then transport, then network, then D, then data link layer, and then P. Just remember AT and DP, right? Word. A for application layer, T for transport layer, N for network layer, D for data link layer, and P for physical layer, right? If you have any confusion in these questions, do let me know in the comment section box. I will make another video related to the answer of all these questions. That's all for today. In the next video, we will be talking about chapter number 4, and then there will be chapter number 5. If you like this video, do share it with your friends. Take care. Love.